We wanted to have something that people would associate with the te piringa. They need to be able to recognise the building, but they also need a building that has presence, and the solid nature of the faculty has a reputation and is going to be around for some time.
Law is a cornerstone of any civilized society. The law was a big influence on the choice of material. We choose concrete as the solidness, steel as the strength, glass as transparency, and we introduce also some timber to strengthen the relationship with nature.
When people first enter the building, they're wowed by the structure and the spaces within the building.
A strong point in our design was to make the flow through the building a journey. Light played a huge influence in the design of the project. It's quite a steep slope. So on the eastern side, we've got a lot of glass, but on the western side of the building is quite underground, and we introduced a courtyard so that light can filter in there and then spread into the building at the back, so that when you use the building, you don't realize you're actually underground.
Having natural light within the building is great because it energises the people within the building.
The staff who've got to work on the buildings want it to be as trouble-free as possible. The whole external fabric of the building is a very simple, bold and maintenance-free type fabric. And the internal fabric was kept as simple as possible. Well, as far as the maintenance team are concerned, it's been great.
So the educational environment is changing very rapidly, so it was really vital that we will be able to reconfigure the internal spaces without too much effort. So that is future-proofing the use of the building, but also for changing ways of both education and learning.
A project like this is not a single person's work. A broader Opus team were involved from architectural, structural, mechanical, electrical, geotechnical. So it was a very big spectrum of disciplines involved in this project, and I can only thank everybody's support on this project to make it a success.